Once forgotten in a dusty corner of a workshop, the heavy hydraulic jack stood as a testament to time's toll. Its once vibrant red paint had faded, and rust clung to its sturdy frame. The restoration journey began with a meticulous disassembly, each nut and bolt telling a story of years gone by. With care, the worn-out parts were replaced, and a fresh coat of paint breathed new life into the jack's exterior. Assembled once again, it stood proud, ready to lift the weight of the world once more. The restoration journey delved deeper into the intricacies of the hydraulic system. Each piston and seal received meticulous attention, with the goal of restoring the jack's lifting prowess. The challenge lay in finding authentic replacement parts that matched the original specifications. Countless hours were spent scouring old warehouses and connecting with seasoned experts in the field. The hydraulic fluid, once a murky reminder of neglect, was drained and replaced. The process was akin to giving the jack a rejuvenating elixir. Gradually, the mechanism regained its fluidity, and the once silent operation now echoed with the rhythmic hum of a revitalized power. Beyond the mechanical aspects, the restoration extended to preserving the jack's historical significance. Research into its origins uncovered fascinating stories of its use in construction sites and automotive workshops. Photographs and documentation were compiled, creating a visual narrative of the jack's journey through time. The final stage of the restoration involved testing the jack's capabilities. The moment of truth arrived as it embraced the weight of heavy loads once more. Slowly but steadily, the hydraulic system responded with precision, lifting burdens as if to showcase its triumphant return to functionality. The restored heavy hydraulic jack became more than a mere tool. It became a symbol of resilience and craftsmanship. Its transformation from a neglected relic to a fully operational powerhouse highlighted the dedication of those who undertook the restoration. As it proudly stood in its renewed glory, the heavy hydraulic jack became a tangible link between the past and the present, reminding all who beheld it of the enduring legacy of machinery given a second chance. With the physical restoration complete, the narrative shifted towards documenting the emotional journey of those involved. Interviews with the skilled artisans who meticulously worked on the jack revealed their passion for preserving mechanical heritage. Their stories painted a vivid picture of the challenges faced and the satisfaction derived from breathing life back into a forgotten piece of equipment.